Hey, this is Kern's Complete Automotive Care. Just got another tip of the day for you. We run into this quite often when we do a service or an oil change on your vehicle. We want to take a look at the cabin air filter and oftentimes replace it. I want to show you why. Have a look at this filter. This one's been in the car for quite some time, obviously overdue for service. See, this filters the air that's going inside of your vehicle. And look, we even have a bug there. Check that out. Some kind of wasp or something, but they're all dead. They've been there a while. And what happens is the airflow, when you turn your air conditioner on or turn your heater on, it starts to come out a little bit weak. It's not strong and quickly cooling down the cab. But when we replace the air filter, probably once a year is about the time you want to do that. And we can get that done here. And a lot of times you think you're being oversold when we come up to you and say, hey, we need to replace this or we should replace that. This is why you should replace your cabin air filter.